Donnie, how's it going? It's been a while, huh?
Yeah.
It's nice to see you. How you been?
I've been really good. How about yourself?
I'm doing good. Sorry I'm late. Susie's gonna be a little bit late too. I didn't even think all day.
Okay. It's no problem. Because you know what? She's missing out right now. Because this movie night is gonna be killer.
Yeah, we should probably still wait for her though.
Yeah.
So how you been, man? I know it's coming up on that 3-year anniversary of your recovery.
Yeah, I've been pretty well. I met a new friend. Her name's Nico.
Oh, a girl, huh? How's that working out for you?
It's not like that. She's a bit of a womanizer. She's got me on a couple of dates. It went a little choppy, but
Okay. All right.
Glenn, Nico, Glenn.
Oh, what's up, Glenn? Give me some. All right. You got myself.
That's a good John Cena impression there.
Yeah. Nice to get that asshole on, man. But we met like about 4 months ago.
At the Skyway.
Yeah, on the Skyway Bridge.
What are you doing on the Skyway Bridge?
Fishing.
Fishing.
Yeah. My doctor said, it'd be good. He said it could probably help me with my stress.
How is that therapy going for you, bud?
It's going well, my doctor says I'm getting better. He said that maybe I could get off my meds soon. Maybe.
Okay. You're not off them now, are you?
No. Yes, but I'll take it today. It's just like I forgot it very easily.
Okay. Let's tell you what. I'm gonna go drop a deuce. I'll be right back.
Okay. I'm sorry if I freaked you out, man. I'll get back.
I know, baby. I know.
That's your friend, Glenn? A little rude, wasn't he? Like, I was sitting there the whole time, gave him a high five and everything. He didn't even acknowledge me. What's with that? What kind of friend is that?
He's like that with new people.
Is he really, though?
No, not really.
Now tell me something. This boy, he said he hasn't eaten a single thing all day. What is he gonna leave in that toilet right now?
I don't know. Maybe he just. I don't know.
So, if I'm the evil one, then what's he doing over there talking on the phone? No?
I know what you're trying to do.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like what you did with the last 2 dates. Okay?
Oh, well, I did.
Just because I don't like somebody doesn't mean you had to make me do what I did.
So, if I'm the evil one, telling you to do wrong things, what is he doing over there in the bathroom, talking on the phone? Yeah, go get him, buddy. Yeah, he's waiting for you.
Yeah, Doc, I'm calling because he's been off his meds. He's talking to people who aren't there. I'm pretty sure he tried to kill himself. Yeah. Now I understand. Now, yeah, I can do that. Okay, when do you think he should be there?
So you heard him in there, right? He was calling your doctor on you. He was gonna tell on you, man. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do? Like those last 2 dates, right? Just like them two. What are you gonna use on them this time, huh? You got the rolling knife. You got the burrito bag. Check that burrito bag, man. Check that out. Yeah. How about that? No. Use scone. How about that? You gotta go something new right now. Oh yes, that one right there. No. All right. Gonna have to whip up the big boy now, huh? Yes. That is it. She's done a lot of work. That's your lifelong friend over there. He's about to betray you. About to go hardcore on this guy? About to go hard? Yes. All right, all right. A new one. Gotta go test this out somehow, right? He's waiting for you. He's probably making those calls. Your doctor's gonna be on his way very, very soon. You better end him right now.
Hello, friend.
Did he do it? Let me see that knife. Come on. Let me see what you did. How easy was it this time? I mean, it felt good, didn't it? You got a big mess to clean up in here. You got it in the sink, you got it over your hands. You know you have guests coming over still, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Man, like you gotta clean this up. You know you got a dead body in the bathroom, right? Who are you gonna blame it on, huh?
Oh, blame it on him. He was a dumbass.
Yeah, he was a dumbass. You know what, man? It's just you and me against the world, all right? I'm looking out for you. I got you, okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, buddy, yeah, just scrub that right down. No one will ever know. No one will ever know. Not Susie, not David, not even Glenn. Who's fucking dead, right? Yes. Nice. Just like the other girls. Excellent.
Maybe the necrophilia thing, that's a little too far, though. Probably shouldn't have done that one.
You sure? I mean, like, you know, it's always fun. You gotta be a little freaky sometimes, right? Yeah? Having a snack there? Well, look who's here. Showtime? You better get your ass over to that door right now.
I'm sorry I'm late. Did Glenn tell you? I'm sorry I'm late.
He couldn't make it though. He had chest pains.
Oh, really? I thought he told us that he got here.
No. He must have done a U-turn. He said he wasn't feeling really well. But forget it. Let's have a great time.
I called him before we got here, and he called me too, and that wasn't like him not picking up. So he must have missed it?
Yeah, I mean, did he leave
No, he didn't leave a message, no.
Okay.
He's probably
Yeah, I
around the
have a
corner,
message.
right?
Yeah, then forget about it. Let's just have a great time, guys. All right? Yeah, I have my other friend, Nico. She's over here. I mean, she's a riot. We're really gonna have fun with her.
Nico?
Yeah.
Who's Nico?
Let's just come inside. Come on. There's nothing really to worry about.
Oh, yeah. She's just a friend.
They're coming to take me away, ha-ha. They're coming to take me away, ho-ho, hee-hee, ha-ha. To the funny farm where life is beautiful all the time. And I'll be happy to see those nice young men in their clean white coats. And they're coming to take me away,